Can I get a general cleaning twice a year before undergoing a deep cleaning?
The answer is yes. Um, I'm thinking that you're trying to get by because you're trying to postpone your deep cleaning. I would rather have you get something better than nothing. So at least get a general cleaning. Although we are technically, uh, although technically we will not recommend you get a regular cleaning. You want to get either we call it as a full mouth debridement or a deep cleaning prior to you go undergo what we call it as a periodontal maintenance or your regular cleaning. So the answer is I highly recommend you consider getting a deep cleaning to get your teeth stable because you need a partial and you don't want your teeth to get loose. And you can get a regular cleaning or a maintenance cleaning after you get your deep cleaning.